What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing here on my channel. Today I have the Doogee N20 and I would say let's get right into the unboxing after the intro. Alright, so the Doogee N20 is a 6.3-inch display smartphone priced at around $100, and we can already see the packaging is not that spectacular. It's an all black packaging, and we can see here on the back it's the 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage version in sky black. It's also available in different colors. There's not much to it here, so let's open this up real quick. Let's see what's inside. So here we have the phone. I will put the phone aside for now. Oh, it's some nice packing here. Let's lift this, let's see what's inside there. Now let's check out what's in there. I guess it's a case or something. Just some manuals, quick start guys, I guess. Warranty card, it's not more. And the SIM ejector tool fell out, put this aside as well. And besides that we have a charger. Don't know how powerful this is. I guess it's not the most powerful one because it's a really cheap phone. And we have our USB cable, and it's a micro USB cable. So I will put that aside as well, as everything is out of the box right now. And let's get the phone into place. Let's get that out here. Okay, let's have a look around the phone first. So we can see it's a 19:9 6.3-inch full HD water drop screen, 16 megapixel front camera. So this one in the water drop is a 16 megapixels, and then we have 3 cameras. Triple camera setup on the rear, one 16 megapixel, one 8 megapixel, and the last one is also 8 megapixel. We have a really big battery with 4350 milliampere hours, and Android 9 comes with it. And we have a Cortex A53 with the 2.6 or what is it, 2.8 gigahertz. Yeah, it's an octa-core. Let's turn this around here. Let's see how it looks on the back. So this is how it looks like. Let's remove the screen protector here for now. And let's remove the protector on the back as well. Alright. Okay. Let's see it. I don't know, I think when I bought it, it said metal, but it feels more like plastic, but it definitely feels good. It feels really solid. It's quite thin. Let's have a look around the phone. So on this side we don't really have anything except the SIM card tray, and on the other side we have volume up, volume down, and the power button. On the rear we have the fingerprint sensor, LED, and the triple camera setup. We will find out how they perform, and we also have a headphone jack on the top. It's probably a bit hard to see on the camera because everything is so dark. Yeah, and I would say it feels really nice. So my first impression is quite good. It feels like a solid phone for that price, and I would say I will power that up now and we'll be right back once I installed everything on the phone. Alright, so I'm through the setup process on the Doogee N20, and as you can see I'm on the home screen already. Everything is working really good so far. Let me close all open apps. I just tried it real quick. So let's have a look into the settings. You can see everything looks pretty decent, like you are used to from an Android phone if you've been to an Android phone before. Go to advanced, about the phone, so we'll see the 2 SIM slots. I don't install a SIM card yet, so yeah, that's everything. We're on Android 9 with a security patch of August 2019. We can quickly check if there's an update. Let's see, check for an update. Okay, there's no update yet. Yeah, everything looks pretty decent. It looks really clean, so no bloatware installed at all. Can download an app. Let's see real quick how that works. Okay, it's already downloading. That goes pretty fast as well. Sometimes with those cheap phones, I mean that's a phone for around $100. The Wi-Fi is not that great. It takes a long time to download apps, but this seems pretty decent. The display looks really nice. I turned down the brightness a bit because otherwise you wouldn't be able to see. So you can see it's on around 50%. If I turn this up, you will see in the camera you can't see. It's a really bright display. I have to say it looks really decent. It looks sharp. Everything is nice. So the game is already installed. So we can play basically everything. You need to install that. Okay, let's save this for another video. I will do more videos with this phone anyways. I will do a review. I will check out the cameras. I will do comparison videos. So I have a couple of plans for this video. So far I have to say it looks pretty decent and it feels really nice in my hand. It definitely doesn't feel cheap. The only thing maybe is that chin on the bottom, which is a bit big, but the bezels around the phone are really not that big, so I can live with that. You have the water drop camera up there, so you have a lot of screen space on the front. And I would say that's it for this video. If you want to see more of the Doogee N20, leave a like, hit the subscribe and bell button so you don't miss any videos coming up here on my channel. And I would say thanks everyone for watching and see you next time.